We live too. Man, I'm telling you, look, boom, boom, look. Right in the middle of the motherfucking street. They chill. They're busting. They don't give a fuck. Shit, you know what I'm saying? 35, 50.
Hey, yo. Over to goddamn me. Somebody shooting them. Yeah, they go one right there. They go one right there. They busting on the ground, goddamn me. Throwing them all at each other. Yeah, I went from on TikTok now. Yeah.
Your shit on TikTok. Man, on TikTok, man, you can zoom all the way in on the shit, y'all. What? Oh, hell yeah. Look, y'all.
A lot of motherfuckers.
Hell yeah. He live on TikTok. Look, my partner is.
A lot of motherfuckers. There you go, there you go. It's up here, it's up here, it's up here, it's up here. Woo! Hey! Hey! Hey, I told you gotta watch for that hoe though. I told you gotta watch for that hoe though. Hey, I told you gotta watch for that bitch though. Hey, them niggas threw one of them hoes down here. They throwing them hoes. Yeah, see when they popping them hoes on the ground. They throwing, yeah, this one right here on the ground now. Look, watch this, watch this. See that? They busting them hoes at each other. They throwing them everywhere now. Yeah, see that? They on the ground with it. These little motherfuckers crazy. They just threw one down here. We all ran out the way though. These little motherfuckers throw it off. I think they about done now here. But see, I know what to look for. I know what to look for now. So shit, I seen that hoe when it was. Yeah, I seen that hoe when it was flipping in the air though. When it was flipping coming back this way, that's why I was like, alright, it's over here. Yeah, that's why I went to moving back. Cause like, yeah, that bitch over here now, nigga. Yeah, they just threw two of them in the road. But that's exactly why I said that bitch over here now, nigga. I went to moving back, goddamn me. Yeah. Man, girl, but everybody move out the way, goddamn it. I don't wanna move up too close, goddamn me. But now the nigga, that's why I told you that bitch down here, nigga, like, yeah, it's time to move, nigga. Yeah, it's gonna pop over here now, y'all see? Them bitches on the ground. They got a gang of them motherfuckers, boy.
They gonna get fired, they fired up too. What's a real firecracker?
I wanna see.
No, chill out. Play they want to.
I promise.
Yeah, I gotta look at what's going on, goddamn me. They fuck around, be done through one of them hoes. Yeah, they fuck around, be done through one of them hoes. Yeah, they be done fuck around and through one of them hoes. Goddamn me, we ain't pay attention. I am not trying to goddamn get hit by no motherfucking firecrackers that trying to record this shit. There go JJ right there. JJ right there. Oh nah, I told you I know what that I know what that bit look like. Oh, they got two of them on this side. They got two of them that hit on this side. One more over there, two. Yup. Oh, three of them. Goddamn. They threw three of them hoes.
They having a firecracker war.
Yeah, they going from one side of the street to the other side of the street, throwing them hoes. It's like all the motherfucking kids on the right side, all the kids on the left side. They just throwing them hoes back and forth. They shot that one out. But that's that big shit where they throwing at each other. That shit where they throwing in the air though.
Go live on TikTok.
Yeah, they just threw that one out.
That bitch threw the bitch right in the middle of motherfucking, right in front of that shit.
Yeah, something was on the fire goddamn earlier down that bitch. Know what the fuck it was though. Look like they going. Look like they going back toward that hole. Yeah, that crowd ain't as big as it was right here. Hell nah. I'm not walking on now. What happened? Oh, that's because I'm from Georgia. Oh yeah, that for yeah, yeah, you saw that bit lit up. They steady throwing them hoes in the middle of the street too as these cars come by. One car pulled up over there, they threw like one car pulled up over there, they threw like 2 or 3 of them on the hood of that bitch. And them hoes just went to going out. Yeah, that bitch that was over here on the left side, that bitch that them hoes just went to going out. Uh-oh, she got one of them big motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm finna record that hoe. She got one of them big ass lines. Yeah, that bitch got about 1,000 on that hoe. That bitch got about 1,000 on that hoe. I ain't going down that hoe. Yeah, that bitch got about 1,000 on that hoe. Yeah, see them niggas close though. She got about 1,000 motherfucking me, what's names on that bitch? Probably more than 1,000 hell. It probably, nah, it ain't 1,000,000, but it probably more than 1,000 on that hoe though. Boy, that bitch long as shit, boy.
Y'all see her with that roll? Y'all see her with that roll?
Yeah, that bitch gon' pop for a minute.
Behind that tree right there, we'll be sitting right
Hell no, nigga. Hell no, I'm say behind this big bitch right here. Yeah, I'm behind this big motherfucker right here. Yeah. I'm behind this big bitch. I ain't finna go out there.
She finna set some shit out.
Yeah, nigga, that was gonna pop good.
Watch it, hell yeah, that bitch gonna pop good. She finna light that bitch.
I'm gonna once she light it, then I'm gonna, yeah. Nah, I know, but